Hey, how you going there? It's Anthony here. I just wanted to very quickly start and have a look at our mind map model. Okay, let's just jump over to there. Whoop, wrong one. What we've got here is our mind map, and it's going to be able to expand out. If you just hover over, you can actually see that there's actually a link there that you can click as well. Okay, I've also set up a bit of a summary. Okay, where on a week-to-week basis or a day-to-day basis, I just see so many frequently asked questions, and they're all answered consistently. Okay, so it's like what I'll call a round cycle. One person comes into Builderall, and they have the same questions as the last person. So it's really what this is about, is building consistency. Okay, so this is more me populating up as virtual assistants, and we start to move things across and build it out. So we've got Mailing Boss coming through, and that's in the e-learning area as well. And we're going to start to populate this right up, because what I can actually do with this system is create a downloadable document. So as we start to now bring it all together and make our life easier using Builderall, we too want to make your life easier as well. So here's to your happiness and success. The button's just down below. Click on through and start to explore. There'll be more and more day to day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.